Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a super easy to code and to play game, that is the balloon clicker game. Okay then, let's start by renaming our project. I'm naming it the balloon clicker game. Now let's choose a sprite, search for the balloon and click on it. First of all, we want a balloon to move from one position to another. So we will drag a go to random position block. By clicking on the block, we can check its execution. Now we want our balloon to keep on moving until the game is over. So let's use a forever block. But now we see the balloon moving too fast. So let's use a wait 1 second block to let the balloon wait for 1 second before moving to another random position. Now I want to change the balloon color every time it moves to a random position. So let's use the change color effect block and place it below the go to. Great. I want this code to execute when I press the green flag. So let's add an event. You can refer to events as something that happens and then we have to perform a task related to it. Here, when the green flag is clicked, I need to execute this code. Okay, let's add a sound when we click this balloon. Use the start sound block, but I want this sound to play only when the balloon is clicked. So this is an event, right? Let's add one. Drag the when this sprite clicked event and place it on top of the start sound. Next, we want to keep a track of how many times the player has popped the balloon. We do this by using a variable. Variables are used to store a value in them. For this, let's make a variable. I'll name this as the score. Now, whenever this balloon is clicked, I want to increase the score variable by 1. So use a change variable by 1 block and attach it below. Make sure you select which variable you want to increase. Now I want to make sure that whenever a new game has started, that is the green flag has been clicked, my score should be 0. So let's set a score variable to 0 in the when green flag clicked event. Now I also want the game to run for 1 minute. So let's add a timer variable. I'll place it here and set it to 59 seconds. I want to start this timer when the green flag is clicked. But instead of placing the block here and disturbing this code, I will just add a new module of when green flag clicked event. Everything will still be executed in the same order. Now when the game starts, I want the time to decrease by 1 second. So let's add a change variable block and set its value to -1 so that it decreases by 1. Now what it does is, it sets the timer to 59 when the game is started and decreases by 1 only once. But we want the value of the timer to reach 0. So we will have to decrease it continuously for 59 times. For this, we add a repeat block and set its value to 59. But we still see that the timer is directly reducing to 0. This is because the computer operations are performed in nanoseconds. So we will have to add a wait for 1 second block here. Perfect. The last thing we need to do is when these 59 seconds are over, I will have to stop all the elements that are executing. Let's add the stop all block now. Until then, we can add a backdrop. Select any you want. I am selecting the blue sky. Okay, finally our timer is over and we can see that everything on the screen has stopped. That is, the game has stopped. Well done guys. See you in the next tutorial video.